Okay. This is Algebra Notes. This is the back side of the Unit 1 Notes 4 that you got the other day. So let's go ahead and start. On the I will be able to statement, we're going to write I will be able to add and subtract polynomials by distributing and combining like terms. Perfect. So again, that's I will be able to add and subtract polynomials by distributing and combining like terms. If we take a look at our steps, we've got the following polynomial. So I've got the quantity of 4x squared minus 3x plus 5 minus the quantity of 3x squared minus x minus 8. First step, identify what is the coefficient in front of the parentheses. So if I look in front of this set of parentheses, which is by itself, there's an invisible 1. And then if I look in the second set, I know that my invisible number is not just a 1, but a negative 1 because it's being subtracted. So go ahead and put those down. Then my step 2 says to distribute if needed, which I do. So 1 distributed to 4x squared, to negative 3x, and to positive 5. So 1 times 4x squared is a positive 4x squared. 1 times negative 3x is the same, negative 3x. 1 times positive 5 is positive 5. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this set. Negative 1 times negative 3. So negative 1 times times positive 3 is negative 3x squared. Negative 1 times negative x is a positive x because a negative times a negative is a positive. Then I have negative 1 times negative 8, which again, a negative times a negative is a positive, so now I have plus 8. So I have now done step 1, I have also done step 2. Step 3, final step, combine like terms. So if I look here, I'm gonna square anything with a square. So all of the terms with a square are the same. Now I know that 4x squared minus 3x squared gives me a positive 1x squared. Then I'm going to continue combining, so I'm going to combine anything with an x with a circle. So negative 3x and a positive x. And I know that negative 3 plus positive 1 is negative 2x. Then I'll combine the rest of my terms. So I have a positive 5, I'm going to underline that, and a positive 8. I know positive 5 plus positive 8 is positive 13. Then I know that I do not need to write the 1 as invisible. I don't need to write the 1 because it's invisible, so I'm going to just rewrite this as x squared minus 2x plus 13, and that's my final answer.